Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to try this sum from the page number 3. This is chapter number 1, integer under CBSE standard 7 syllabus. So first pattern is 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5. So from this 4 number we will understand the pattern that how many numbers we have skipped in between. So we are here and then next number is 3. So from 7 we have come to number 3. So how many numbers we have skipped in between? 3 numbers. Now once you are identifying the pattern, you will also get to know that in which direction we are going. Towards the left hand side of the number line or towards the right hand side of the number line. Towards right hand side all the positive integers we are going to cover, or the integers which successively increased their value in numbers. So as we are moving towards this side, the value of integers will increase. As we are moving towards left hand side, the values of integer will decrease. So that we need to understand. So we are going in this direction. So continuously the value of integers will decrease. Now after 3, minus 1 is there, this number. So again we have skipped 3 numbers and we are moving in this direction. So next number will be, after skipping 3, next number is minus 5. Yes, minus 5. So same pattern we will continue. That after this number we will skip 3 more numbers and we will get minus 9. So this will be our next number. So whenever you are answering this kind of questions, first thing you have to understand that how many numbers we have skipped, and second thing that this pattern is going in which direction, either towards left side or towards right hand side. Now minus 9. So again we are going to skip 3 more numbers and we will get our number, that is minus 30. The next, again we are skipping 3 numbers and we will land on minus 17. So that is going to be our next number, that is minus 70. If you won't understand, you have to draw number line, then only you will get to know that in which direction these numbers are going. If only group of negative integers are there or group of positive integers are there, then you can count it on and you can write. This is easy. See, only negative integers are there. So we know that the next number which will come is negative. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Minus 2, then minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So we are skipping in between one number, we are writing all even numbers, we are skipping odd numbers. So after minus 8, we will get here minus 10. Now we can guess this easily, that next number will be minus 12 and the next number will be minus 40. Our next pattern is 15, 10, 5 and 0. So first number is 15, next number is 10. So here we are doing subtraction. And how many numbers we are subtracting here? 5 numbers. This is easy to guess as it is multiple of 5. 15, 10, 5, 0. Now we have to understand here that from 15 we have reached on 10, from 10, 5, 5 to 0. So we are going in this direction towards the negative integers. So once we got the 0, after that we have to again skip the 5 numbers towards left hand side. So we were on number 5. We got number 0. So in between 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers we have skipped. Here also we have skipped 4 numbers and we got minus 5. Again, here we are skipping 4 more numbers and we will land on minus 10. So this is our next number. So we have to identify 2 numbers, that on which number we were earlier and then we got which number. So in between how many numbers we are skipping? 4 numbers. So that's how we will write the pattern. Then after minus 10 we are skipping 4 numbers, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, and then we will write minus 15. So minus 15 will be our next number. The next pattern, minus 11, then minus 8. Minus 11, then we are going to minus 8. So we are going in which direction? Towards right hand side. So minus 11 and we got minus 8. In between we skipped 2 numbers. After that minus 5. So minus 5 is here. So we skipped 2 numbers. And our direction is towards right hand side. So again we will skip 2 more numbers and we will get minus 2 here. So after minus 2, we will again skip 2 more numbers and the number which we will get is 1. After 1 number, we will skip 2 more numbers and we will get number 4. After 4 numbers, again we will skip 2 more numbers and we will get number 7. So that is how you will identify a pattern. First, you will see that whether this is addition or subtraction. Second, how many numbers we have skipped in between, and very important that which direction it is going. It is going towards right hand side or it is going towards left hand side. Hope you have understood the concept of pattern well. Here I am giving you few more examples for practice. So pause the video and solve it by yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning.